are duckies.
They're cute.
You think they're cute?
Yeah.
Why? I hope TikTok didn't tell you they're cute.
No, I think they're cute.
Are you cute?
No.
Okay. Oh wow. Oh my god. This is one scary looking. These are vultures. These are vultures. You know what vultures do, right? Okay. And this one is a secretary bird. This lady or man. Wonder why it's called secretary bird. These are warblers. Warblers. Are these known? Are these known for their loud noises, loud singing? Why do I have a feeling they have very beautiful singing? They're tiny. These are thrushes and allies. What the heck is an ally? Anyway, these are thrushes. We have so much to learn about birds. Let's go look. So many children here. So many noisy children. Okay. This guy could pick you up, Kavita. He's strong enough to pick you up. These are falcons, hawks, and eagles. These are predatory birds. They like to hunt for their food. They don't like to eat grass. Which one you think flew right across you yesterday at the hotel? Which one was it? This one? You recognize it?
Where's the ball?
What is it? It's a kite.
Yeah.
The kite is also a type of predatory bird, I think. So kites, falcons, hawks, eagles. There's something called a fox kestrel as well.
Yeah, but where is the...
I wonder if there are owls here. These are scary looking birds. Look at this guy. The crowned eagle. This guy is amazing. Oh, look at the long crested hawk eagle. This guy has a very interesting set of feathers. Guinea fowl. Dun, 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 dun. And a partridge in a pear tree. This is a bustard. Cranes are quite striking.
This one or this one?
Crane. They're bee eaters. I didn't know there are kind of birds called bee eaters. Oh.
It has a bee in its mouth.
Kingfishers. That's the African snipe. Red-chested cuckoo. Beautiful owls. They're so beautiful. Striking. They like to eat mice and little children. I'm joking. Joking, don't worry. But rodents, they go at night and I think they like to eat mice, right? They're beautiful. Turako.
Very surprised when you see them.
Bills.
This one I see more than one on this side.
Wow. Look at these guys.
Look at this one.
Look at they're so beautiful.
Celebration corn
Gulls, terns. These are the ones that go all the way to Antarctica, right? Arctic terns. Snipe. I don't know, I'm guessing. But I've heard of something called an Arctic tern. Little tern.
Snipe,
Huh?
snipe, sandpipers, and allies.
Nice. Okay, this was an amazing exhibit.